Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change or edit alternating raw color in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now I will change this alternating raw color. Simply select this format option and select alternating color option. And here you will find this color option. Here you can add default alternating color. Also you can change your header alternating color. I will change this header color and see this. Also you can change color on and color 2. Let this one and see this, and second color at this one and see this. Yeah, this is in this way you can change header row color and second color and first color you can change here. Yeah, and simply select here. Finally done. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.